Unveiling the meaning of virgin. Hello, language learners. Today, we are diving into an intriguing English term, virgin. This word has multiple meanings and is often used in different contexts. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how and when to use this term. Let's get started. Virgin primarily refers to someone who has not engaged in sexual intercourse. This is the traditional and most common understanding of the word. Historically, it was often important in various cultures for a person, especially a woman, to remain a virgin until marriage, although perspectives and values have changed over time. Example: she is a virgin, she has never had a romantic relationship. Interestingly, virgin is not limited to discussing human experiences. It's used in other contexts too. 1. Virgin territory, an area or topic that has not been explored or used before. 2. This is virgin territory for our research. 3. Virgin birth refers to a birth without the typical biological process of fertilization. In religious contexts, this is known as the Immaculate Conception. 4. The virgin birth of Jesus is a central tenet in Christianity. 5. Virgin wool, wool that has not been processed or reused. 6. This sweater is made of 100% virgin wool. In the world of cooking and gastronomy, you might have come across the term extra virgin, especially in the context of olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil refers to the highest quality of olive oil, made without chemicals and with the olives in their purest state. Example: for salad dressings, many chefs recommend using extra virgin olive oil for its rich flavor. From personal experiences to uncharted territories and even olive oil, the term virgin is versatile in the English language. Always consider the context in which it's used to determine its meaning. We hope this video has shed light on this multifaceted word. Keep exploring, and until next time, happy learning!